This is 1106 Campbell Avenue, Apartment A. This is a 2-bedroom. Pardon our mess. We are doing some things in here to get it fresh. New paint and things. But kitchen space, living room area. You've got a back doorway to the back porch, which you are going to be cleaning up and pressure washing. Nice little space out here. Bathroom. Hallway. Down to the first bedroom. And again, we are going to be doing some painting and things in here, but nice space, closet area. And down to the last bedroom.